How to remove your profile picture or your avatar picture on Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Discord. Then when Discord is opening, you will go here and click. Then you will go here and click. Then you will go here also and click on your profile. Then you will go to remove avatar, and then it will remove it. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.